Is there a straightforward method of earning more than a few $100s today? When I say simple, I mean that you can have 90% of your work completed for you in only a couple of clicks, and then you'll start earning immediately. Just one of over 300 strategies and methods to earn online money have been tested and have been proven to earn real money. After analyzing over 300 different strategies for earning money online, only a handful of them have passed the test and have been verified to generate real money. And guess which one of the methods is this one? This site is completely free of any investment and is accessible to everyone across the globe. So no matter where you're from, this possibility could be the right one for you. Don't be averse to this opportunity to make money online while you're sitting at home, on your phone or computer. Follow the tutorial and be sure to not ignore the steps. In this video, I'll share one of the easiest ways to earn money. This isn't just talking about a small number of sums here, but hundreds of thousands of dollars. I'd recommend you visit Lydium.org. When you get to their homepage, you'll be able to browse through a variety of featured projects that you can view in the video below. Beneath, people are earning hundreds, if not thousands of dollars for each project. The best part is you can find endless possibilities to choose from directly from this site, and you could earn an enormous amount of money. In this article, I'll demonstrate an easy method of doing it. You don't need to do any effort, and as you'll see, people from all countries around the world can earn huge amounts of income according to the information you'll see in the left-hand side of the page. They generally categorize our work into various categories like registration translation apps for usability testing, downloads videos and animations, and the list goes on. In this video, I'll spare you a great deal of time and give you a bonus hint. I'll show you what's most effective and working today, and you could be making lots of money right now. People who are watching, I'd like to offer you a bonus track and we'll focus on this particular category, that is graphic and design. All you have to do is click this link here, and it will bring you to this webpage that will display all projects that are related to graphic design and graphics. Don't be worried, you don't require any design or graphic skills. You do not require any other technical skills, and you don't even need prior experience. I'll tell you that this is among the easiest ways to earn money, and you can accomplish this as a complete beginner. Just look through the projects listed here. You will see that there are endless opportunities and projects for all people, and you can keep scrolling. But the concern you'll have is, how do we achieve that? If you like this video, don't forget to hit the like button and then subscribe to the channel. Now, let's return to the video. With that being said, we're going to get right into one of the cases, and let's say, for the sake of an example, a project similar to this one has been put up by the employer. You will see the requirements, and all you need to do is click the project, and it's going to take you to the page. You can see that they'll give you this amount to complete the project and will be willing to make payment in dollars. You can now see in this section the details of the project and the instructions, but don't you fret. You don't need to design any of the logos or artworks on your own. All you need to do is log to freelogodesign.org. After you've gotten to their homepage, you'll see that this site offers free services and software that can create logos in minutes. As you look at these examples of some of the logos they created for various companies, they are all based on different designs and templates. I'll walk you through the steps to create it now. I'll show you lots of examples. I'll also show you some additional tips today. Let me walk you through precisely how to do it. You'll require two things to design a logo for free on this site. Number one, you'll need to have the name of your company, as well as two, you must choose the appropriate category. Let's simply say that we'd like to start working on this project, and you're able to enter the name of your company here. The reason we're choosing to enter the names of our business is that the name of the business will be visible directly on the logo, right? Now you'll want to know what's the classification of the business. Once we've entered the name of the company, we're able to proceed to choose any of the categories. You can click this arrow down and select from these options that point. When you scroll below, you'll find the most appropriate category for the company. Just click this link, and all you have to do is hit on the Start button, and they'll begin loading. As you can see in this case, they're showing you various kinds of logos. And guess how? With just a click, you'll be able to see that they're able to allow you to design pages and pages of various logo designs that you could download for free right now. You can go to the bottom of the page and choose these designs. Let's simply say you've completed the first page here, and then move on to the following page. They'll provide you with even more logos, as you can see that your name and the business will be displayed right on the logo now. If you're unhappy with any of these logos, for instance, if you mail your client lithium.org that they aren't pleased, you can go ahead and select of these logos to show them again. Again, there are unlimited possibilities and endless inventive logo designs that you can pick from with the click, and there's no need for technical expertise, and you don't require graphic design skills, and you don't need to design any of the logos on your own, as I said earlier. This is among the easiest ways to earn money today without having any prior experience whatsoever. Just click here and then click the Add button, and the logo will begin to appear right there on your canvas today. You can make any of the modifications or editing that you like. For example, with this logo, you just drag and drop it into any location you like. You can expand it or reduce it to a smaller size. It is possible to make any changes you'd like, for instance, the company's name, or even include additional text. You can alter the color. You can alter the font and font size. You can drag it and drop the logo to any location you like. You can then view this logo by simply clicking this button. Once again, this will work on mobile phones. This is also available on your computer, and it can be done with any device you own. Once you're happy with the logo's design, all you have to do is hit the Save button and save the logo to your device. This is only one of the instances of creating the logo for this particular business. And when you visit Latium.org and look through the various projects, you'll find hundreds of projects in search of people similar to you to design logos and are paying the same amount of money over and again. Now, all you have to do is click this link on the top of the page to sign up to get a free account. This will lead you to this page. Just fill in your email address, and you'll be able to sign up for a free and begin earning money as a reward for you guys who have stayed with me to the end. I'll also give you a bonus trick apart from Latium.org. You can also go to Fiverr.com. It's a different freelancer's website that lets you discover similar projects. All you have to enter is the search term logo design, and the only thing you have to do is click on the search option. From there you'll find a variety of projects and other logo designs. As you can see, these are only a few examples of freelancers from various countries around the world who are earning very good money through Fiverr just by helping others create an identity. There are thousands of people searching for someone to assist them in creating an idea, and you might be one of them accomplishing this. You can simply go to freelogodesign.org to design all the logos professionally with one click, and that's it. Make sure you subscribe to the channel and click the notification bell, then click the like button. I'll be back in the next video.